Hi, I'm Cory Suzuki, and this video is a demo of BookSight, my final project for CS50W. Imagine taking a photo of your bookshelf and having an app that could tell you the precise edition of every book in that photo, then export that data so you could easily add your entire collection to apps like Goodreads, LibraryThing, or even just Excel. Well, that's exactly what BookSight aims to do. I'll start with the user experience on the web and mobile, then demonstrate the terminal-based version called Vision CLI at the end. For the website, I chose to forego any sort of registration and prioritize ease of use and simplicity. There's an About page, a Tips page with photo examples, and the main landing page. From the landing page, you can upload a photo, choose export formats, enter an email address to receive the results, and adjust advanced settings. After submitting the form, you can leave the page anytime. The rest of the web process is to give you something to look at if you choose to stay on the page. I use Ajax to send real-time progress updates and images to the front end, and the updates are displayed within a pseudo terminal on the page. I'll cover more details in the Vision CLI part of the video. For now, I'll let the music play while the web demo runs.
Stay home 'cause I'm afraid. Stare at nothing out my window. Smoke alone inside my car. On my hood I see reflections of a million little stars. I'd like to go where they are. I wanna go. Will it ever be okay? Will it ever be okay? Will it ever be okay? Wanna fly back to LA? You can have the window seat above the clouds. I didn't call because I don't know what to say. I watched the havoc on TV. It always kind of feels like it should have been me. And you should have been me. You should have been me. Will it ever be okay? Will it ever be okay? Will it ever be okay? Why did I do this in the first place? I think about the nights with our guitars out back by the fire. And now it kind of feels like that's all that I ever needed. So why did I ever leave, man? Why did I ever leave, man? Why did I ever leave?
Alright, now let's dive into how BookSight actually works. You can see the emailed results we just received from the web app on the screen now. After this, I'll let the Vision CLI demo run while I talk a bit about the project. BookSight uses computer vision to detect book spines and images. The core technology behind this is the faster RCNN ResNet 50 model, trained on the COCO dataset. When you first upload an image, it's pre-processed using OpenCV and Pillow to adjust the brightness and contrast, then an edge enhancement filter is applied. Next, the image is converted to a tensor and fed to the faster RCNN model, which returns a set of predictions for the locations of potential book spines that it detects. For each valid detection, a spine object is created in a temporary database, and each detected spine is saved as a new image, with its path added to the corresponding object. Next, the spine images are analyzed to extract all of the color data and dimensions. The overall accuracy of the app really improved when I started using k-means clustering to extract the color palette from each image. BookSight compares the images of your book spines to images of book covers from the web. Oftentimes the average and dominant colors of a book's spine do not match those of its cover, but it's very rare that the color palettes of a spine and a cover are not similar. The next step is to use OCR, or optical character recognition, to detect all text from each spine. BookSight uses Easy OCR for text detection. The results are passed to an AI model that uses context to fix typos and returns a list of titles and authors as a JSON formatted string. Currently, BookSight supports all of OpenAI's GPT models, Google Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Gemini 1.5 Flash. Once the spine objects are updated with this data, the matching process begins. BookSight makes API calls to Google Books and OpenLibrary to retrieve a list of potential ISBNs for each spine. Iterating over this list, data for each book is fetched from the ISBN DB API. If an image is available, the color data is extracted, then compared along with the dimensions against the spine object. The match with the highest confidence score is selected for each spine, and a list of book objects is created containing all of the information for the matches. Finally, these results can be exported as a CSV, JSON, XML, or text file. Users can receive the results via email or just have them saved locally.